got this! I got this! I got this!
Microphone check, 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 check. Yo, what's up, you guys? I got my friend Sergio over here.
What up, what up?
There he is. All right, we're gonna do this new PC upgrade like I told you guys, and this is our table. Here is the one that I've been gaming with this whole time, you guys. This is, we're gonna do a bit of an upgrade here. We're gonna go from this all black case to this all white one over here. Here's my daughter. You wanna say hi?
Hi!
So, yeah, we're gonna go to this all white one. All right, so let's open this up for you guys to see how to get these 3 screws off. This is my GPU graphics cards for those that are learning, because I know there's a couple of people trying to learn about this stuff on stream.
All right, start unplugging everything.
So this is it right here. Bam. Grab that screw. I put it in here. Okay, 2 SSDs are done. Okay, something is pulling. Oh, this is went under there then. Okay, so hold on. Yeah, I don't know if it's... Oh, yeah. There you go. So that's unplugged.
A few moments later.
This is it. This one, I just popped the glass out like that. Boom. Magnet. And now we put this to the side over here. And now the fun part begins. This is the part where I was like, I might need some help for this, because I don't know if I'll mess something up. For any surgery, you're gonna need some gloves. This isn't like the latest and greatest, but it's still considered the latest compared to mine.
I'll just put it on there. Usually what I do.
Nice, okay. All right, guys, here we go, the unboxing. This is my first time opening a brand new CPU ever.
Jeez.
Literally. The other one I bought, the i7, was used. So I got super lucky with that. All right, guys, what I was explaining to my girlfriend is, this is the brain, literally the brain to your computer. This is the body, this is the brain. This is what tells everything within. So it's gonna start here, and it's gonna tell basically the body, which is the motherboard, just how to function everything. And this is like the most important part, really. Damn, that's pretty heavy, bro. I never expected it to be that heavy. Look at that. It's gold, baby. I need to buy my girlfriend some shit that's shiny like that. I'm not gonna drop it. Oh, just kidding. Okay, so that line goes there.
Yeah, so that has to go there, so you just flip it the way you have it.
Okay.
That's your phone, right?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I have it down here. All right, you guys. So there's a little line. It's probably gonna be hard to see because of how wide angle it is. Right there, a little arrow that indicates where exactly that arrow has to line up, which is down here. Dude, I'm so scared, bro.
And don't push it, just drop it in there.
That's it?
Yep. Now you just lock it. Boom. You've installed your first
What?
CPU.
Very nice. Wow. Are we sure it's in there?
It's in there. Flip it over.
I'm scared, bro.
Not too high, just in case.
You're making me do the Dairy Queen challenge?
Yeah. Yeah, it's in there, bro. Shit would have popped that way.
Yep, you're right. Okay, so next part is we're gonna drop this into the case, and by the looks of it, this is okay. This is gonna go this way, right?
Yep.
What you guys think? Also, Sergio, you guys need to go give him a follow. What's your YouTube and your Twitch?
Smelly, SM31 LY.
All right. That's what you're gonna go with? Your name? Yeah. So people will be like, oh, what's up, Smelly? Nice to meet you, bro.
I'm Smelly.
Okay, so I gotta get it really in there.
You really just gotta match it to this. And then it'll...
I don't wanna like drop it, bro.
Nah, you're good, bro. Like,
set it down.
just pop it. Can't be scared with PC parts.
I'm scared, bro.
That's it.
That's it?
Like you screw every screw.
It came with screws in that box. Holy moly, guys, we're getting somewhere. Look at that. Look at that, baby.
Look how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
6, 7? Is this one's not going in.
It's not.
This one is loose. It shows it's over a hole.
But that one, these are in for sure.
Those are in, they're like tight. Like I can't even spin them anymore. This one's just spinning.
I see, I don't think it's lined up all
No?
the way.
Okay, we can loosen them a little bit.
Loosen all of them.
It almost feels stripped or something.
Well, see, if this one and this, if they all, the rest of them go in, you don't really
need it.
That's just to hold it in there.
Damn, this shit's not magnetic. How the fuck? My fingers are too big, bruh. What? Where'd it go? Hold on, I think it's behind the... Yeah, it's back here. Fuck. Dude, how the fuck do you put it in there? Yeah. Oh.
Oh, yeah, I just did the same thing.
That's what I'm saying. What the hell? Like, oh, look, we could get some Turtle Beaches.
Turtle Beach?
Oh, it's already at 63, though. You got it in there? What? Nice. Nice, nice, nice. W Smelly.
And these capacitors, like once you turn it on, never touch that.
I think that was like one of the first things Mitch ever told me. And then you told me after too, if I remember. So those fit, but that one doesn't?
Yeah.
That's weird.
I think.
That one's just spinning.
Yeah, this one's not.
I wonder why. You know what? If you look, it's not lined up right there, it looks like. Or am I tripping? Yeah, I think it's just that. You want me to push it? And you want to try?
Yeah, don't push it like crazy hard. You don't want to rip that heat sink.
Okay, okay. I'm gonna stream, but probably after I put this thing together. We're doing surgery. Actually, I should put that on my story because I literally am getting so many messages. What's up, gang? So I'm gonna be going live and going a little. Damn it, I fucking fucked up. What's up, gang? So I'm gonna be going live a little late tonight because we're in the middle of doing this. That's my friend Smelly. He's another streamer. We're putting the PC together, so yeah, I'll let you guys know when I'm going live.
Alright. So next, not your AIO.
Oh, we gotta clean it, so Q-tips. How many would you say? Just a few Q-tips? Oh, damn. Just clunks up. Does it have to be perfect, like brand new?
Yeah, you want to get most of it off. Or all of it off, really.
So this is gonna draw air in or pull air out?
Well, I mean, either way, it's drawing it in, but sometimes you want to push air through the radiator. So you're getting cold air, pushing the cold air through the radiator.
Mm-hmm.
But from what I was seeing and the way you had it before, you're basically sucking the cold air
in
and shooting it.
Oh, okay,
in.
okay.
But it don't matter.
Okay, I
Then you
see.
need these brackets, the AMD brackets.
What the fuck? Interesting stuff, you guys.
Yeah, that's why I called you for a second. I was like, you know what? Your ass might not be gaming on the new PC if you ain't got no brackets for this thing.
You throw that box away.
That's what happened to me when I upgraded my shit.
You threw it away?
No, I had it, but since I went from AM5,
Oh, AM4 to AM5?
no, I went from Intel, like the old Intel to.
Oh, the AMD.
Yeah, I had to buy a whole new AIO.
You're lying.
I built my whole thing, bro.
Damn.
But luckily, my old AIO like barely fit on it. But my temps were at like 90. So I was
90 Celsius?
Yeah,
Holy
90 Celsius. So I was able to play.
Damn, yeah. That's still pretty.
Yeah, I only played for like a day just to make sure all my shit was, and of course my shit wasn't working because I told you
Yeah.
some of my parts.
So he has thermal paste, and I don't know if you want to explain to them what that is.
Thermal paste just allows the conductivity, I guess, of the thermals to just regulate the thermal because these CPUs get extremely hot, and you want to make sure that the contact between your cooler and the CPU is nice and tight, for lack of a better word. And so my preferred method
You do an X or something?
is just to do an X. I used to do dots. I mean, this is a square CPU, so you could just get away with dots, and it's not turning into an X because I'm under pressure right now.
What pressure?
I have a camera in my face.
Bro, it's nothing, bro.
A little X like that. It's a lot.
Yeah. It's all good.
And then you want to make sure that your hoses are nice and. So I'm thinking we go, because it's going to be, go this way. Maybe this way. Let's do this way. No, let's do this way. I don't want that shit to be in the way of anything. And now I'm not exactly sure how this pops in there. But apparently, this is supposed to. Before I smush it, let me see. It goes on. It's not clipping on.
You gotta, like, angle it more. Yep.
There you go.
Now that one's gonna be a pain if you gotta angle it.
I'm not even anywhere near the. There we go.
You got a little pivot.
This one's not working with me. Maybe it's the AIO. Hold up. Take this side off.
You just need more slack, or?
Yeah, I think so. So it's gonna have to go the other way.
Oh.
That's alright. Yeah, there you go. What the fuck?
Like right there? Does that do anything?
Nope. Doesn't want to go in. Oh wait, this pops out.
Huh?
This one just popped out.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Oh shit. So maybe it wasn't in there right?
Hold that. Hold this real quick. CPU's good.
But I mean, like, I must have not popped it in all the way then, right?
Got a couple bent pins right there,
Oh
bro.
no.
But it's not a big deal.
Has that happened to you before?
I can't believe how everything went down. You guys saw what should have been one of the most easiest and best, I guess, positive videos I could put out as my first one on the Blanco Pop channel, but that didn't turn out well, and this is what I'm left with. Yeah. So basically what happened was I started a replacement order, and I already sent the parts back to the company I bought them through, and they should be sending me new ones soon, hopefully by this week, and then we're gonna give it another attempt. The other thing is, I'm just hoping that they look at those parts and say, okay, yeah, you know, they were faulty, and I don't get blamed for anything, because we really didn't do anything. That it seemed like the motherboard just wasn't working, because after everything was said and done, we looked at it again, and there's like a little thing that locks the CPU into place. It wasn't locking, and we realized that towards the end. We're like, hey, this isn't locking, and usually this mechanism locks so well that you shouldn't be able to just pull the little arm, the little metal bar up, right? It wasn't doing that. The bar just kept moving up, like it wouldn't click and lock into place. So there's that. So now I'm trying to piece back my old one back together, so that way we could get a stream going, because I've already missed a stream 2 nights in a row. And I keep getting messages about, hey, when are you gonna go live? When are you gonna stream again? You know, I'm sorry, you guys. I'm trying. I was trying to make things better for us, but it's all good. Let's get this thing back up and running. Let me see what I can do.